This is Videokan Babu. The panel number is V320BJ2 XC01. The complaint is no VGL, VGH, AVDD. All the voltages are, see here, VGHV point. This is the AVDD switching. So there is no voltage in AVDD switching and VGHV. This is the VGL point. This is the VGL point. So all the testing point details given here. See here, VGL, VGH. So the complaint is I cut the VGL point. I cut the VGL point here. See here. So I cut the VGL point here. So all the voltages are pleasant. VGL, VGH, AVDD. So I found that something wrong in VGL point. So usually the VGL and VGH get short. Tracks get internally short. Glass internally short. So in this set, that is not the problem. I check the VGL and VGH point in testing point in ohms range. There is no short or leakage in there. But ground to VGL source 560 ohms in forward bias and reverse bias. After that, I want to find where is the actual short in there. After that, I saw, see here, meter in buzzer mode. I am going to check it. Meter gives sound, so I will show the meter. This is the VCOM voltage. So in this point also short, it gives buzzer. In this point also it gives buzzer. So VCOM to VGL is short. That is the main matter. See here. So this is the VGL. This is the VGL point. The track is cut here. So from here, this is VCOM voltage. This is VCOM voltage. So the track internally, VGL track is internally short. Internally short. Short means it is not direct short, but it gives some resistance. See there, the resistance 42 ohms. So the track is internally short. I remove the VGL jumping resistance. See here. Jumper resistance. See here. I bypassed the track to source of testing point. From here to here. Now all the voltages are pleasant. Set is working perfectly. I am going to on the set. So now the set is working perfectly. Usually VGL, VGH is short in COF or internal glass track. Internal glass track. But in this case, the PCB internally layer short. PCB internally layer short. So without theory, it is not possible. All the brief training given in my panel training program. Thank you for watching this video.